Welcome to the Nevin and Associates YouTube channel. Stay tuned for some awesome content, and make sure you like, subscribe, and, of course, share this video with everyone you know. Let's dive in.
From boring to brilliant, resume makeover. Yo, what's up everyone, it's Bob here. Applying for jobs can feel like resume roulette in a sea of applicants. Most resumes are about as exciting as watching paint dry. If your resume reads like a laundry list of duties, you're basically handing the hiring manager a sleeping pill. To win in this game, you need a resume that screams, "I'm the one." A resume so stacked with accomplishments that it makes the hiring manager do a double take. Today we're diving deep into the art of the resume makeover, turning that boring old document into a showstopper. Picture this, you're a hiring manager with a stack of resumes taller than a stack of pizza boxes after a weekend bender. Are you going to spend hours poring over every single word? No way. You're skimming, looking for any excuse to toss those snooze-fests in the no pile. And guess what? Resumes that just list duties? Those are the first to go. Managed inventory. Yeah, so does everyone else applying for this gig. Responsible for customer service? Okay, but what does that even? Hiring managers don't care about your job description. They care about. Ditch the boring bullet points and get ready to brag a little, because your resume is about to get a serious upgrade. Let's talk about the magic word, accomplishments. These are the crown jewels of your resume, the things that make you stand out from the crowd like a Lambo in a parking lot full of beat-up Toyotas. Instead of saying you manage social media, tell them you grew the company's Instagram following by 200% in 6 months, resulting in a 15% increase in online sales. Accomplishments are the proof you're that person. So dig deep, my friend. Remember those projects you crushed? Those wins you celebrated with your team? Yeah, those are the gold mines you need to tap into. How to swap snooze for Sizzle. Now that you know accomplishments are key, let's talk about how to sprinkle that magic dust all over your resume. First up, numbers. Instead of improved customer satisfaction, try boosted customer satisfaction scores by 15%, as measured by quarterly surveys. See how those numbers add instant credibility? Numbers are like cold hard proof that you get stuff done. Next, ditch the passive voice and embrace action verbs. Instead of responsible for training new hires, say developed and implemented a new training program that reduced onboarding time by 20%. Bam! Suddenly, you're not just a cog in the machine, you're the one optimizing the whole system. And finally, let's talk about the S.T.A.R method. This is your secret weapon for crafting accomplishment statements that pack a punch. S.T.A.R stands for situation, task, action, result. It's like a mini story that showcases your problem-solving skills. Boom! You just showed them you're not just a worker bee, you're a problem-solving ninja. Real-world magic examples that pop. Instead of managed social media accounts, try this. Grew the company's Instagram following by 150% in 1 year by implementing a new content strategy focused on user-generated content and influencer marketing, resulting in a 10% increase in website traffic. Or how about this? Instead of processed customer orders, say, streamlined the order fulfillment process by implementing a new inventory management system, reducing order processing time by 20%, and increasing customer satisfaction scores by 8%. And one more, instead of assisted with marketing campaigns, go with led the launch of a new product marketing campaign that generated $50,000 in sales within the first month, exceeding initial projections by 25%. The point is, don't be afraid to get specific. The more details you provide, the more memorable your accomplishments will be. The big win interviews and confidence. Loading your resume with accomplishments doesn't just make you look good on paper, it gives you an unfair advantage in your interviews. Imagine this. You're sitting across from the hiring manager, and they bring up one of your accomplishments. So, I saw you increased website traffic by 10%. Tell me more about that. This is your time to shine. You've already got the proof on your resume. Now you get to elaborate, tell the story behind the numbers, and really showcase your skills and experience. When you know your resume is packed with wins, you walk into that interview with a whole new level of confidence. You're not just another applicant, you're a top contender, so ditch the self-doubt and embrace your inner rock star, because you've got the receipts to back it up. Alright folks, there you have it, the blueprint for transforming your resume from a boring list of duties into a dazzling highlight reel of your accomplishments. Remember, your resume isn't just a formality, it's your first impression, your chance to grab the hiring manager's attention and say, "Hey, I'm the one you've been waiting for." So ditch the generic templates, crank up those accomplishment statements, and get ready to watch the interview requests roll in. And hey, if you're in the paper and packaging industry here in the USA and you want that extra edge, hit me up on LinkedIn Messenger. Your dream job is out there, now go get it.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe and turn notifications on and share with everyone you know. Also leave a comment down below. Say hi or ask a question. Again, thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Cheers!